Welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the world of law. Whether you're a law student, bar reviewee, legal practitioner, or just someone looking to better understand the law, you're in the right place. Remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest legal insights.
In today's video, we'll explore a landmark case that highlights the delicate balance between labor rights and religious freedom in the Philippines. Victoriano versus Elizalde Rope Workers Union. This case is a pivotal example of how the law navigates the complex intersection between contractual obligations in employment and the fundamental right to religious freedom. Let's start with the background facts. Benjamin Victoriano, an employee of Elizalde Rope Factory, was a member of the religious sect Iglesia ni Cristo. As part of his employment, Victoriano was automatically enrolled as a member of the Elizalde Rope Workers Union, which had a closed shop agreement with the company. This meant that all employees, including Victoriano, were required to maintain union membership as a condition of their continued employment. However, Iglesia ni Cristo strictly prohibits its members from joining any labor organization. Despite this, Victoriano remained a union member until Republic Act No. 3350 was passed. This law amended the earlier Republic Act No. 875, the Industrial Peace Act, to exempt members of religious sects from union security agreements. Seizing this opportunity, Victoriano resigned from the union, citing his religious beliefs as the reason. The union, however, was not satisfied with his resignation and formally requested Elizalde Rope Factory to dismiss Victoriano for violating the closed shop agreement. The company warned Victoriano that unless he reconciled with the union, they would have no choice but to terminate his employment. This led to the central legal issue in the case. Does Republic Act No. 3350 unlawfully discriminate in favor of religious sects by exempting their members from union membership requirements? The union argued that the law was discriminatory because it created an exception for certain religious groups, undermining the principle of equality before the law. However, the Supreme Court disagreed. The court held that Republic Act No. 3350 did not constitute unlawful discrimination. Instead, it served a legitimate secular purpose: to protect the constitutional right to the free exercise of religion. The court emphasized that the law was designed to prevent individuals from being forced to choose between their religious convictions and their right to work. By exempting certain religious groups from union membership, the law was not favoring these groups, but rather ensuring that their members could freely practice their religion without suffering unjust consequences in their employment. The court further ruled that in the hierarchy of rights, religious freedom occupies a preferred position. When contractual rights, such as those found in a union security agreement, come into conflict with the right to religious freedom, the latter must prevail. The decision made it clear that the free exercise of religion is superior to contract rights, and any law that protects this fundamental freedom is aligned with the Constitution's intent. In conclusion, the Victoriano case stands as a critical judicial affirmation of the primacy of religious freedom over contractual obligations in the Philippine legal system. It reminds us that laws must always consider the broader implications on fundamental rights, ensuring that these rights are not overridden by narrower contractual interests. This case continues to serve as an important reference in discussions about the balance between labor laws and religious liberties, highlighting how the legal system can evolve to protect individual rights while maintaining social order.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, stay tuned for the upcoming content. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more in store that you won't want to miss. See you in the next one.